Hello students, welcome to the series of CAT questions by Vivek Sir. The number of all natural numbers up to 1000 with non-repeating digits is. I have four options. This is CAT 23 slot 1 questions. So natural numbers are positive integers which starts with 1, 2, 3. So I can say in total I have 9 single digit numbers and all of them are such numbers where there is no repetition, right? Let's think of next 2 digits. For 2 digit numbers I need to have 2 digits where there is no repetition. First condition, for a number to be a 2 digit number, tens place digit cannot be 0, so I have 9 options. 1 to 9 I can put any digit here. For units place, 1 digit is already consumed. So out of 0 to 9 total 10 single digit number, I am left with 9 digits, including 0 and excluding the number which I have consumed. So in total I have 9 into 9, 81 such numbers. Right? After 2 digit numbers, I will check for 3 digit numbers. For 3 digit numbers, I need to check with permutation and combination. What would I do? For hundreds place, I can have only 9 different single digits possible because 0 is not possible, else it would turn into a 2 digit number. Now rest 9 are possible here, including 0. For units place digit, I already consumed 2 digits, so now I am left with 8 digits. 9 into 9 into 8. So this would be 81 into 8. Number would be 8 ones are 8, 8 into 8, 64. So up to 1000, so I have covered all the numbers till 999. So 1000 I need not to consider anyways, 1000 has repetition of zeros as well. So answer to this question would be summation of these 3 numbers. So my answer should be 738, option A. Very easy question. Thank you.